So, this is the second recipe, and it's going to be a fluffy slime.
Yeah, so first what we're going to start off with
by doing the borax thing, activator.
We're making the activator first.
Okay, so you put 1 tablespoon of borax into a cup of water. I don't think this is a cup of water.
We'll pour it in here.
No, because we're going to need it later.
And we're going to mix it up.
We're going to put the
I
cap
got it.
and shake it. Now, as that's happening.
Okay, we're done. That's why she
Let's shake enough, I think. Now, okay.
We're going to add some glue.
Pour the glue!
We're using clear blue slime.
Glue.
Glue, not slime. Glue. Shaving cream.
Wait, I think that's what's next. I gotta read the recipe.
Yes, it is. Duh.
Yes.
I'll just shake it up.
Okay, that looks like all the glue. Then,
Let's just throw it out of here.
the trusty recipe. Okay.
Shaving cream.
Yep, shaving cream is
I
next.
bring it
Half
here.
a cup, put in here. Measuring out half a cup of shaving cream. That should be fun. It looks like whipped cream.
Woo! Get that out of here.
Oh no, how am I gonna get it out?
Leave it. Oh, it's on me.
Yoink. That'll do. That's
Okay.
nice. Lots of it.
That
And
will
then-
be, oh god, fluffy enough. That'll be fluffy enough.
Soap.
Let's add some soap, even though it may not be super fluffy.
Yeah. Just do a couple pumps of that.
1, 2, 3, 1 more.
Okay.
Okay, that's
Okay.
good.
That's good. And
Good.
then you do
Soap.
a tablespoon cornstarch. Okay.
Cornstarch.
Cornstarch. Do 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 do.
It's very dusty.
That's because it's corn.
Oh, it smells so bad. Oh,
Boom.
that's the smell. Okay,
And then 2 pumps of lotion.
lotion. This is our lotion we're using.
Because it's the only thing we could find
Because we were such in a hurry.
to get outside. Because we want to do this outside. It's a nice day.
Yeah, it actually is really nice.
Stay in school.
Oh, shoot.
Now.
That's
That's
plenty.
way more than a pump.
Sorry.
Mix.
Okay, I want to mix.
Mix it. Oh, yeah, mix it.
I feel like we need more glue.
No, I think maybe it'll hold.
I don't think. It's turning blue.
Oh my god, it's just gonna be pretty white and like browny because of the lotion. Okay,
We
we
need
mix.
more glue.
No, I think. Ooh, yeah.
It's not out.
Look at that. Look at that.
Did I sit on glue? Okay.
You probably should be shaving.
Hey.
Okay, this is.
I don't.
I think because we did not add the activator yet,
It's not.
activating. Okay, I think that's mixed. I think
Let's
we're
add
mixed.
activator now.
Activator. It looks like a light blue almost, but mostly white.
It looks like a cloud. I'm gonna do this.
Oh, that's not gonna work. Okay, well, that's great. Yeah, I need to add more than that.
We're gonna have to add more.
You know what? Yeah.
Where's? I'll just pour it in. Going wicked crazy, guys. Never do this in your house.
Okay. Shake that as I'm mixing.
Shake, shake, shake.
It's not coming.
Shake, shake, shake. There's a hole in this. It looks like you're making a batter. It looks like cake batter. You're a master chef. Shake it off.
Cake batter. Yeah, look at this. Oh yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that.
Guys,
look at that.
I see the mailman.
The mailman.
Don't show him.
Hey, it's the mailman. We love the mailman.
He gets go.
Oh my god, he went into the calculator. What did you You're peeing. I'm not peeing. What the heck? Oh, I think we did it. We made slime. No, we didn't. Never mind.
No.
It's still shaving cream.
More glue.
Yoink.
Unless add a little bit of black, it'll be
Oh,
sparkle.
yeah.
Let's add a little bit.
Yeah. I think
The
mailman. Oh, I did it. I think I made
Give me some.
It's fluffy.
Give me some. Oh, it's fluffy. Add more activator. Seriously. Someone not active.
Look at my hands! I can't add
Just make the bottle messy.
I need
Add activator.
assistance, please.
Assistance.
Pour
Add
some-
just a little bit.
No, pour it into here. Pour this into here, okay?
Just a little bit.
Okay, that's not. That's enough. There we go. And now dip it. Dip. There.
My fingers. Okay, this is a very messy, fluffy slime.
What the heck are you doing?
I'm just turn.
Stuck on me! Give me some.
Sit down, baby.
Okay. What the heck? It's so sticky, but it's so fluffy.
I know.
Look at it.
Get it off.
What are you doing? Hands.
Oh, I got a package. Look, my house.
Package.
I got a package at my house. Yay.